Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from your beloved channel Linguamid. In this episode we will talk about a very important tense in spoken Egyptian, the H future. So let's start. The H future. What do I mean by the H future? We all know that the future tense is one of the important tenses in all languages, including spoken Egyptian. So why am I calling it H future? Actually, H future is because it starts with a ha. Okay, so when I say, for example, hasafir, it's from the verb yisafir, to travel. But when I say hasafir, so adding ha before يسافر هسافر, it means that I will travel, I'm going to travel. So this verb will be in the future tense. So when I take this sentence, for example, I will travel tomorrow, أنا هسافر بكرة. أنا هسافر بكرة. It means that I will travel tomorrow. So I هسافر, this is the verb يسافر, and the ha at the beginning indicates the future tense, and then بكرة is tomorrow. أنا هسافر بكرة. So I will travel tomorrow. So when we bisect this tense, we will see that it's composed of the simple present يسافر, okay, أسافر, which is the conjugation with أنا. So أنا أسافر, and we will talk about conjugation with different pronouns later in this video, so keep watching. So when I say أنا أسافر, this is the simple present. So we are covering also in this video the simple present as a bonus, because you cannot derive the H future unless you know the simple present. Okay, so the simple present of يسافر, okay, is أسافر, okay, أسافر, and there's also a be imperfect tense بسافر, which is the tense that we indicate with this tense the ongoing action or the present continuous, but here we are focusing on the simple present أسافر. أسافر. So adding ha to أسافر, it will give the H future. So أنا أسافر, this is simple present. أنا هسافر, adding ha at the beginning will be the future tense. So it is very important to know that ha at the beginning always indicates the future tense, and this is a good indication if you hear any Egyptian saying ha with a verb. So let's talk about the conjugation. Okay, so I am gonna conjugate the simple present and also the H future for the verb يسافر with different pronouns. So I have here the pronouns I, which is أنا, you, and in Arabic and spoken Egyptian, you, it's gender sensitive. So you say you, أنت, for male if you are talking to a male, and you, أنتي, if you are talking to a female. So أنت to a male, أنتي to a female. Okay? And then we have also he or she. So he is هو and she is هي. Okay? So أنا, أنت to a male, أنتي to a female, هو to a male, هي to a female. Okay, he or she, هو or هي. Okay, let's talk about the simple present. So the simple present is أنا أسافر. أنا أسافر from the verb يسافر. So note that the verb in the present or in infinitive, it's always with يا, يسافر. Okay, يسافر. Okay, so أنا أسافر, هو, let's say أنت تسافر, أنتي, okay, you female تسافري, هو يسافر, هي تسافر. Again, أنا أسافر, أنت تسافر, أنتي تسافري, you for female, and أنت you to a male, okay, أنت تسافر, أنتي تسافري, هو يسافر, okay, هي تسافر. Let's move to the H future, which is nothing but adding the ha to the simple present. So instead of أنا أسافر, it becomes أنا هسافر. Exactly. And you, male, أنت تسافر, it becomes أنت هتسافر. Okay. أنتي تسافري, it becomes أنتي هتسافري. This is the future. Okay. هو يسافر, it becomes هو هيسافر. Exactly. هي تسافر, it becomes هي هتسافر. Okay, so أنا أسافر simple present, هسافر future, أنت تسافر هتسافر, أنتي تسافري هتسافري, هو يسافر هيسافر, هي تسافر هتسافر. See, the conjugation is very easy. So keep watching it and repeat each conjugation with me, and in 2 or 3 times you will be mastering it. It's sure, it's very easy and simple. So let's move to an example. Instead of saying يسافر, I will say يكتب. Okay, instead of putting the verb يسافر to travel, I will say يكتب to write. Okay, it's the same. So when I say I travel, أنا أسافر, I write أنا أكتب. Okay, if I want to say أنا, I will write, I will add ها, so it will become, yes, it will become أنا هكتب. أنا هكتب. Exactly. So let's move to another one. If we want to say, for example, انتي with يكتب, it becomes انتي تكتبي. Perfect. This is simple present. تكتبي. If I want to add the ها for the H future, it becomes ها تكتبي. Exactly. It will be انتي هتكتبي. انتي هتكتبي دلوقتي. You will write now. You will write now. Okay, let's move to the third one. When we say هو he, okay, هو simple present is يكتب. هو يكتب دلوقتي. هو يكتب دلوقتي. But if we want to say the future, we will add ها, so it becomes هو هيكتب دلوقتي. هو هيكتب دلوقتي. Exactly. So it's very simple. So it's either أنا هكتب, أنتي هتكتبي, هو هيكتب. So this ends our episode today. We now have a solid knowledge about the H future. To recap, the H future is very simple. It's actually the simple present conjugation with ها at the beginning of the verb. Okay, so when I say يسافر or يكتب, so أنت تكتب, هو يكتب, أنا أكتب. Instead, we add ها, so it becomes أنا هكتب, هو يكتب, هو هيكتب, هي هتكتب. We don't do anything other than adding the ها in front of the verb. Don't forget to enroll 100% free in my Egyptian Arabic 101 course. It's a fundamental course aiming to give you the basic background you need in spoken Egyptian. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. You will find useful resources in the description box of these videos, so make sure to check them out. I hope you liked this episode. Have a great time and see you in future episodes.